what windows are. Naririnig nyo ba ako, guys? Ha? Ay, maling server. Wait lang. Ano ang pangalan mo?
Nag-live yun. Tapos yung go, tas underscore go.
Ano?
Amina. Underscore mo ate tas si Datina daw next. Start
I cannot jump, y'all. In today's video, I'm only going to speak in English because why
Ay,
not?
mag-infection baka yung robot? Ay, robot ba yung robot?
Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Rate my outfit.
Ate, pag infection yung isa, magiging robot.
Huh? Yo.
Ano na lang, bot.
Sabi mo kay Tita Tina.
Datina bot ka lang.
Shift lock is not allowed. Because the control is crouch. I better hide somewhere. Wow! Trinay ko to. Pero bakit nang gawa ko?
Pero hindi ko kanya na ko yan. Oh, yung pig! Princess! Inaan ni Datina ginugulo.
Oh my god.
Ay, hindi pala. Ay, wala. Ay, natapos.
Ham.
Yan ang party. Pakainin ng carrots. Patumatagin. Kaysa yung may princess. Sa taas na.
Come here, bunny. Come here, bunny.
Ate, dito na sa taas. Bumot siya na.
Huh?
Bumot siya na, ate.
Wait.
Bumot na.
Let's go, bro. Where?
Dun sa second floor. Uy, princess, may bot dyan.
Huh? Saan?
Second floor.
Wait lang. Saan?
Second floor. Ito. Uy, yung pipigi.
Wait.
Drive.
Oh no!
Babalik pa tayo doon.
Cinema.
Hindi yan tayo
You guys can see it now.
Saan yung Empire
Ayun.
I'm opening my voice chat because I want. Naririnig niyo ba ako dahil sa cellphone kapag nag-record ka, hindi mo maririnig sarili mo sa voice chat. So I'm just curious.
Wow! Dalawa.
Oh my gosh! Stop. Hmm. Hurry up, Broski. Hurry up, Broski. Hoy! Ha ha! Oh my gosh.
Okay, Tita Tina naman daw.
Rinig naman pala pag nag-voice chat eh. Kailangan lang Nakamute ka daw, Rico.
Ay naman, Tita Tina.
Bruh.
Try to nga, try lang.
What's this place?
Try lang.
You'll spawn as Piggy shortly. I don't want to be a piggy. Bro, what's that sound? The game has started with the piggy selected items. You selected that? Ah. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huh? Hoy, Rico! Ha! You have been tricked. Complete this or else. Build. Okay, guys, so we're here. Oh, can I just jump?
Brintis yun. Dito na si Ate,
Whoa.
start na.
Hello. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Lollipop. Si Marge, ma'am, what are you doing? Washing dishes. Are you taking a picture of me? I'm not taking a picture of you, but you got water everywhere. But you're making a mess, you got water everywhere. You got shoes on now? I got shoes on now, what that mean? So go there and get up.
Yakit pa rin.
Oh my gosh, I can hide from here? Oh, it was like,
Nandito.
okay.
Ayaw niyo kunin. Wala ko dito. Ayaw niyo kunin yung brownie. Ito ate.
Whoa! Ah, help! Ah! No! Where's the blue door? I can't find it. Asan ang blue door? Oh my gosh. Ah! No! No! Become a ghost? I can become a ghost? Wow! Oh my gosh! Look at me! I'm a ghost now.
Just ayusin ko.
Okay.
Maglaro ka naman.
I can't grab it. Can I close the door? I can't. What else can I do? Nothing. Just be a ghost. Oh, I'm going past them.
Let.
La 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 la. Oh, this is the blue door. I know it now. Tito, princess! Tito! Yung isa na lang daw, Rico.
Sige.
Yes, my darling. Where am I?
Sure. Patapos. Patapos yung bubong. Start na, Tita Dina. Start na.
Detective Good Luck Champ. Am I the one who will investigate?
What lang? Ang dami natin yun.
Of course. You're the one who will do it. Why do you need anything?
Yes, makatao gusto ko.
I am kind of scared, detective. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Just be careful. Okay.
No.
Okay.
Ah.
Oh my gosh, why am I walking like that? Okay. La 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 la. Lo 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 lo
Naalala
lo.
ko, house tour.
La 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 la. Lo 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 lo. Lollipop. Lollipop. Walking past. Hey, what are you doing at my house? In my house. Oh, I remember playing this. Don't go down there without a blue key. You'll be stuck down there. Okay.
Book 7.
A blue key.
Douglas.
Polly Sweet's Kitchen.
Wow. Nahulog ako. Teleport.
Patay ka na, princess.
I killed.
Oh my gosh, yuck! What the? Why is there organs and body in here?
Saan?
I'm gonna throw up. Oh my gosh, yuck! What the? Why is the organs and body parts in here? I'm gonna throw up.
Oh my gosh.
Uh, 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 uh.
What was the smoke? Kaya saan ko
Cupboard. Oh my gosh, yuck! What the? What? Note 3. I killed Margot and the basement. She was trying to help Carrot to be free. I killed her with a knife and stuffed her body at the cupboard at her room.
Ate, punta ka sa TV. Sa TV. Punta ka sa TV.
Alam ko na yan, may jump scare.
Hindi ako po pipindot. Hindi ikaw ako pipindot.
Eh.
Hindi ako magpipindot.
Wait lang.
Ay, ito na na.
I have the blue key. Can I have the blue key first?
Wait lang, ate. Diyan ka muna. Diyan ka muna. Diyan ka. Diyan ka muna. Diyan
Ano?
ka muna. Balik ka. Balik ka. Balik ka. Oh my gosh.
Saan?
Ito doon sa isang brown.
Ha?
Paparkour tayo. Sa isang brown. Doon ito, Ricky. Yan, ito. Oh my God. Lagi pa ulit-ulit. Sino ba yan?
Ano?
Ulit. Ako yung mag-report. Ate, tama na.
Oh my gosh! Yuck!
Oh my gosh.
Passive killing spree and stuff. Polly changed after killing Carrot, knocking her, which lead to Polly too. She most likely lure children in her basement, locking
Yes.
them in the garage
Inaano
room in
pa-
the basement, then killing them after. Oh my god. What's this?
Help me. Ayun. Nalaglag pa.
A toolbox. What? Ew! What's this?
Nawanan ka lang.
Ay, ako na lang babuhay?
Hindi. Ah, meron dito. Espada! Garot. Nahula ang passcode.
Is that a mon?
One, two,
Is that a
three, four.
ghost? What? A code?
1, 2,
Really?
3, 4. Step lang. system. Ayaw na mag-code. Bala na kayo. Asan na yung si Bali? Asan si Bali? Makainit ka. Ba't walang zombie?
Because there is
Baka sa mga load.
Pwede ka maging ghost princess. She's gosh. Can ask the flowers. I sit for hours, telling all the people, nibbling Cooper. I'm so in love with you.
Oh! Ang dami! Ang ganda, ate! Oh. Wow! Daming boots! Nagpa-party sila! Nakasunod.
You can ask the flowers. I sit for hours,
Sa party.
telling all the bluebirds, nibbling
party
Cooper.
na sali ako.
You make me crazy. I'm
Ah,
so in
OB.
love with you. Where am I? No, 6. Help! Help! Polly burned me here
Nag-OB
because
ako.
I ran away. Care of.
Wow, ang
Pero-
daming.
Nandito yan, Rico, sa vent.
Wala.
Dito,
Alam ko kung saan.
you can ask the flowers. I sit for hours, telling all the bluebirds, nibbling Coopers.
Punta ka dun sa pintuan natin.
I'm so in love with you.
Punta ka dun, di ba may pintuan dun sa hagdanan?
Son,
Di ba yung papuntang bench, yung pintuan? Punta ka dyan, tas tabing ka dun.
sinungaling.
Dyan nga!
Sinungaling to.
Dyan ako dumaan!
Dito.
Kami na! Doon nga, tas mag-o-OP ka!
Lang, church ko bang to?
Ay, nabuksan ko na.
I sit for hours.
Ah! Trap! What's that name of the creator of this map? Athena J008, Athena J00. Anong gagawin ko dito? Start na ako. Ano? Stuck na ako dito. Ito. Oh, namatayin po. Ay! Ate, tapusin mo. Punta ka dun.
Ako na yung babuhay.
Punta ka dun.
Go.
Punta ka dun.
Asan na yung daan sa vent?
Ay, sa dun. Ayun o.
Yung daanan sa vent yun. Nandun nga.
Hindi. Ay, sa daan pala dadaan.
Pan proud.
Tapos dadaan ka dito.
Talon ka dyan, oh.
Hirap. Sunod, diretso lang. Ito yung party. Ate, wag ka magpapahulog. Talon ka dyan. Wag ka magpapahulog.
Oh my gosh!
Ate, doon, talon ka dyan. Talon ka dyan. Tapos mag-OB ka pa. Ulit! Skip! Wow. Tatalon na lang eh. Intro.
Ay, ay, ay.
Ate, mag-OB ulit ah.